Alright guys, so I'm going to be talking about Space Oddity by David Bowie. Obviously the song is by David Bowie. It was released July 1969, 5 days before the launch of the Apollo 11, which was the first man-to-moon operation. Uh, the song was inspired by Stanley Kubrick's film 2001: A Space Odyssey, and the title of the song is also a play on A Space Odyssey, Oddity, Odyssey. They're a little similar. And David Bowie is also known for songs like Rebel Rebel, Let's Dance, and Fame, but Space Oddity is considered to be his most famous song. So, some analysis on the song. The song is about Major Tom, an astronaut who is slowly losing connection with ground control and drifting into space. Um, and some analysis. Planet Earth is blue and there's nothing that I can do. Uh, Obviously he's in space and he's looking down on Earth, and Earth is blue because of the oceans, but what he means here is Earth is blue like it's somber and it's sad and it's not colorful. It's there's so much war and fighting and anger and hatred that Major Tom doesn't really want to associate with it anymore, and he says, and there's nothing I can do. He's realized that he can be so insignificant, and people can be so insignificant in the world, and they can't always make a change. And he's also drifting around in space, which is massive and it's infinite and it's going on forever, and he's just realizing how insignificant he is in space. Though I'm past 100,000 miles, I'm feeling very still. This is him saying that he's content. Obviously he's 100,000 miles away from Earth and from the ground, but he's not really scared. He's feeling very still. He has kind of accepted it, and he's like embracing the cosmos. And I think my spaceship knows which way to go. Tell my wife I love her very much. She knows. I think my spaceship knows which way to go is him saying like I'm trusting like the universe to like carry me wherever I need to go. Tell my wife I love her very much. She knows. He just he's happy that, or he just wants his wife to know how much he loves her and that what he's doing isn't in vain, and that he doesn't really want her to feel any pain. He just realizes, the truth about his life. And some significance from like a lyrical standpoint, it serves as a reminder of the vastness of space when he's talking about how insignificant he is, and like 100,000 miles is very, very far, and he just kind of drops it in casually, and that just goes to show how big space can be. Um, it serves as inspiration for young aspiring astronauts that want to go out there and embrace the cosmos like Major Tom did. And this song also shows how interpretive music can be, because you can take it in so many different directions and apply it to so many different aspects of your life. Um, Now, social significance and its presence, it's perhaps David Bowie's most famous, or it is David Bowie's most famous song, and it's perhaps his best one, most believe. Um, it's also considered to be one of the greatest songs of all time, just because of what it represents, like the time and what it's about space. There aren't really a whole lot of songs, or there weren't at that time, about space, so that's why it was so influential. Now, that's going to be about it, so thank you for watching.